Guys, I have here a box. Bubuksan po natin and see what's inside. Ano kaya ang mahiwagang or ano kaya ang laman ng mahiwagang box? O, di ba? Mahiwaga daw. Let's take a look at this. Let's do the unboxing. Yan. Okay. These are, anong tawag dito? Okay, Bluternate flowers. Okay. And marami pong health benefits ang Bluternate. Actually, this was introduced to me by our former Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Lourdes Servito, who's now in Hawaii. Okay, I have tried making Bluternate rice. Pag hinalo po natin siya sa rice, nagiging kulay blue po yung rice at masarap. So, I have tried noon na nasa abanon pa rin ako na tumaas po ang aking blood pressure. And my first aid na ginawa ko is to eat raw. Kumuha po ako ng 5 na peraso or 7 yatang peraso ng Bluternate flowers. And then, hinugasan ko po and then I just chewed it, no raw. And, I felt na nawala yung parang bigat ng ulo ko and then yung feeling ng thickness sa aking batok. So, pwede rin po ito guys, no? I-ano sa mainit na tubig and then pag how do you call that? Pag medyo nagkulay na po yun, ang ginagawa po ng ibang co-teachers namin doon is they add more water to it and then calamansi juice and then some honey, and it makes a very refreshing drink. So, kanina po, dahil nadaan kami doon, I asked a favor from my friend, Sir Del, at through Ma'am Russell, at ito po, pinadala sa amin ang Bluternate flowers. Okay. You could also try this, guys. I guarantee you, it's healthy. And actually, naalala ko kasi in one of the schools na visit namin, naikwento po ng isang teacher na hindi na po nag-take ng maintenance ang kanilang mother and her actually because she's drinking this Bluternate tea po. Kaya po naisip namin at humingi po kami ng aking kasama kanina si Ma'am Lirio and we asked for this Bluternate flower.